Bonjour tout le monde, non pas c'est Jérôme.
And I'm his wife, Melissa.
And
Welcome to Love
Cuisine. Aujourd'hui, c'est première fois nous allons release video no sur YouTube, and I'm excited. So I'm excited to do this with you. You're my wife, and it's gonna be an amazing journey with you.
Yes, I'm so excited to be able to do this, especially with my honey. I am excited to share our love of cooking with all of you. Alright, so we will be cooking a Caribbean herb roasted chicken with some sunny yellow rice with mixed veggies.
This is what you need to make this delicious recipe.
So first things first is to marinate the chicken. And I'm actually going to pass the honors on to Jerome this time because I wore a white shirt and I really don't want to get it dirty. So is that okay with you, boo?
Absolutely, honey. Well, let me go ahead and get this chicken ready so we can go ahead and cook it together.
I smelled the marinade from the chicken that Jerome did and it smells amazing. So while he was doing that, I went ahead and put the cast iron pan in the oven and preheated the oven with it in it to get the cast iron nice and hot. You want to make sure that it is absolutely hot so that when you put in the chicken that it sizzles. So the first thing you want to do is add olive oil to the cast iron pan. I know, we love olive oil. So go ahead and let it sit in there until it is fragrant. So you start smelling the onion and the garlic. Delicious. And go ahead and add your chicken. While the chicken is in the oven, we are going to go ahead and cook the sunny yellow rice. We love rice in Haitian culture. We eat it literally morning, noon, and night. So rice is definitely a staple and we are excited to share this recipe with you. Why don't you start the rice?
So, moi vais montrer comment nous-mêmes, comment nous faire durer dans la taille nous.
If you like this video, then please like, subscribe, and also comment down below with any ideas you have for recipes and for things for us to do. So, bye!
See you next time.